Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today my video is all about an unboxing, and as you can probably tell by the title, I am unboxing the oversized Alexander McQueen sneakers. Yes, finally, because for the last 2 years I have been trying to buy these sneakers, but I never took the initiative to go and purchase them. Perhaps because of the price, I was hesitating to buy the sneakers, but finally they are here. I bought my sneakers from the shop Luisa Via Roma, and as you can see, it came on this big box with the name Luisa Via Roma. I really love buying my designer items from Luisa Via Roma because they are so fast on delivery. I bought these sneakers this week, and after 2 days the sneakers arrived. So inside this box I have my Alexander McQueen box, and this is how it looks like. I really like the detail on the edge of the box, and it has the name Alexander McQueen. This is how they look. They are beautiful. And here you can see how oversized these sneakers are. But even though they are big, they look so beautiful. These sneakers have a rubber sole, 45 millimeters high. As you can see, the sneakers have the logo Alexander McQueen on the tongue and at the back. To me, these are the business casual elegant sneakers. The price for these sneakers is €425, and I bought it with 20% off. So these sneakers do go on sale. I will suggest that you keep your eyes open for when they have specials or sales at the Luisa Via Roma. Normally they will give you a promo code, or for example, when I bought these ones, it was 20% off at checkout. When I put the item in my bag, then the discount was applied. The sneakers run quite big because they are oversized, I guess. Normally I am a size 39 and these are 38.5. I went down half size just to make sure that they are not going to be too big later on when I use the sneakers, because it's leather, and leather, it tends to get bigger. For the rest, it has an insole, as you can see, and it's removable. I will not remove the sole unless it's to let it have some air or something like that. Here you can see how the sneakers look when I'm wearing them on, and they are super comfortable and easy to walk with, even though they are leather and they are new. I am just using regular straight pants, but I am planning to wear the sneakers with skirts, with dresses, with skinny jeans, with everything. And they for sure will look very good. So this was everything for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to give me a thumbs up, and to share my video. And hope to see you on the next one.